some time and money. Okay, when I first got this truck, it was not running quite right. It was because it wasn't getting enough fuel, and still I've had some stalling issues with it even after working on it a good bit. This is the fuel pump that came with the truck, and eventually it burned out, and I replaced it with this fuel pump, which eventually burned out. And now I've got this fuel pump on there as well, so we're 3 fuel pumps deep. Okay, but here's where I went wrong. Everybody always mounts those underneath the hood. That's the only spot I've ever seen them mounted before. But that is not how that's supposed to be done. It's supposed to be mounted down on the frame rail or underneath the truck somewhere kind of in the middle of the frame area or closer to the tank, not underneath the hood, and here's why. Okay, so your fuel tank's back here and your fuel pump is up there. It has to pump the fuel all the way through the line, which puts more strain on the pump, where if it was closer to the gas tank, you wouldn't have this issue. And something that I did wrong more than once was I ran the truck out of gas and then it had to pump air through all of that line as well to get it to prime back up, and it's a fuel pump, not an air pump. This will make it run faster, and then that'll cause it to burn up. That's actually what happened with that one there. It was sitting at an angle, and so the fuel was all sloshed to one side of the tank. So it was just sitting there pumping air the entire time until eventually it died.